How to generate code using Ask AI. Whether you are learning programming or need a quick snippet, Ask AI can be your coding assistant. Step 1. Open Ask AI and type your coding request clearly. Be specific. For example, you can type write a Python function to reverse a string or create a HTML contact form with CSS styling. Clear prompts means better code. Step 2. Review the AI generated code. Ask AI will give you ready to use code snippets. Copy them and paste them into your editor. Remember, always double check for syntax or small mistakes. AI is smart, but it is not perfect. Step 3. Ask follow-up questions or modify the code. If you want changes, just type something like make this function use a loop instead of recursion, or add a button to the HTML form. Ask AI can refine and tweak your code as much as you need. And that's it. Generating code with Ask AI is super simple. Just ask, copy, and tweak. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.